Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best lamp holder socket on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing, before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. ZMJUJA AB013 Lamp Holder Socket. ZMJUJA AB013 Lamp Holder Socket is a lamp base specifically designed for pendant use. This energy-efficient light fixture features a fully integrated, environmentally conscious design. It includes an E27 socket, which accommodates standard incandescent and energy-efficient bulbs. The full spectrum of light lets you enjoy brighter, clearer and more beautiful light while saving energy. ZMJUJA AB013 Lamp Holder Socket is your online and offline source for all your lamp base E27EU and hanging pendant LED light. It is offering all of our online shoppers a wide range of lamp base E27EU and hanging pendant LED light at competitive prices. ZMJUJA AB013 Lamp Holder Socket offers lamp base E27EU and hanging pendant LED light for every home decor. We offer a wide range of lamp base E27EU and hanging pendant LED light that can add the perfect decorative touch to any room. We are proud to offer our customers with affordable price, high quality, and reliable service. ZMJUJA AB013 Lamp Holder Socket offers you a wide range of lamp base E27EU and hanging pendant LED light. Our goal is to provide you with the best quality products and services at the lowest possible price. Number 4. KARWEN E27 Lamp Holder Socket. The KARWEN E27 Lamp Holder Vintage Edison Bulb Base E26 Bulb Base 110V 220V Aluminum Light Socket Industrial Retro Pendant Fittings Lamp Holders Fixture Kit is one of the finest products in line with the latest design trends. Designed in Germany and made of aluminium material, the lamp holder kit is a remarkable and simple way to suspend a vintage filament bulb. The product is exceptionally easy to install and is suitable for 110V and 220V, allowing you to use it everywhere in the world. It is compatible with all fixtures and bulbs of similar sizes. It is durable and will last for a very long time with its excellent performance and high-quality craftsmanship. It has a superior durability and also offers excellent performance. The product has a superior durability and also offers excellent performance. It has a wide base which makes the fitting extremely easy to pack and move. The fitting has been designed to include an easy-fit silicone gasket, which makes it ideal for use with both wet and dry areas. The fitting will create an ambient lighting effect and can be used in a variety of commercial and residential applications. Number 3. Beimer T5 Lamp Holder Socket. Beimer T5 Lamp Holder Socket is the most eco-friendly and cost-effective T8 light bulb solution. With a G13 base, it is compatible with the popular T8 fluorescent bulb. Beimer T5 Lamp Holder Socket is designed with plastic material, which is safe to use, low heat infrared radiation, low power consumption and instant start. It is the perfect replacement of incandescent and halogen bulb. It is the latest development in fluorescent lamp holder technology. It is designed to accommodate the T8 fluorescent lamp and to complement the T5 fluorescent lamp. It features an energy-efficient design and a sleek and modern appearance. Number 2. Viktorovna Lamp Holder Socket. Viktorovna Lamp Holder Socket is manufactured for reliability, efficiency and compatibility with a variety of bulb types, such as CFL and incandescent. It provides a full range of voltages for all types of bulb-to-socket combinations. Made from premium quality materials, this Viktorovna lamp holder socket outputs the optimal amount of electricity, fully compatible with all standard voltage configurations. A handy gadget for household use, this Viktorovna lamp holder socket is a Viktorovna lamp holder socket that can be used in homes to convert a Viktorovna lamp holder socket compatible with EU and US socket to a Viktorovna lamp holder socket. This Viktorovna lamp holder socket is made from good quality metals and plastics, which ensures its long-lasting usability. It even comes with locking system to fix the Viktorovna lamp holder socket in place effectively. With its on-off button feature, you can easily control the flow of electricity to the lamp holder socket. Number 1. DT02 Lamp Holder Socket. This Edison bulb LED light is made from premium material. The appearance of the vintage Edison light greatly resembles the appearance of the original incandescent light bulb, but in the long-term operating cost is much lower. The power consumption is only 2 watts, the light color is pure white, and the light is soft and does not have any glare. This is a kind of energy-saving lamp and can replace the traditional bulbs to a certain extent. The is a handcrafted reproduction of a vintage Edison light bulb base, aluminum vintage style pendant light fixture, a decorative lamp head, with a 5-color E27 light socket. They are perfect for a bedroom, bathroom, man cave, library, restaurant, hotel, living room, reception, office and kitchen. The lamp is made of porcelain and finished with a classic gold or silver rim. DT02 lamp holder socket is a beautiful piece of art that will definitely be the highlight of your home. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.